Hey everybody, welcome to Masking Morning on Thursday. We are in a different location. Hopefully everybody's 4th of July was awesome yesterday. I had to miss out because of seizures, and my seizures happen when bright lights, loud noises. That's the 4th of July. Plus my husband decided he's not going back to work till Monday, so we're going to be seeing this background for a second. Alright, for the last few days, I've been outside painting and not really applying sunscreen and stuff. So, I had sunscreen in my moisturizer, but that's as far as it went. I don't know if you can tell. There is a slight difference to my arms. Like, this one is a lot darker than this one. That's my hanging out the window arm when my husband drives me places. Anyways, because I did not really take care of my skin the way I probably should have, it's a little irritated. It has a little color to it. I don't know how well it's going to pick up on there, because usually it's more darker or yellow no matter where I'm filming. It doesn't give off the right color. Alright, I was looking for a mask online to see what would be best to kind of repair what I've damaged in the last 3 days. And see if maybe it popped up something I owned, which I'm running out of, charcoal and all that kind of masks. Gel masks. Got a crap load of sheet masks. But we looked online, went through there, scroll, and we came across this one. And I have it. It was the first one we came across that I had. There might have been more on the other list, but it was the first one I came across. This is the Thomas Roth Clinical Skin Care. I love their stuff. Their stuff is amazing. It's expensive unless you can buy the little $25 kit that I did at one point in time, I believe, or somebody gave to me. I can't remember. I still need to go back and look. But it had, like, I think 6 or 7 of these little guys in there, and there's probably about 3 times use in each one of them. So it's not bad. But this one is the Rose Stem Cell Bio Repair Gel Mask. Says it's the cutting edge plant biotechnology, isolates and replicates. Kind of hard to see the white lettering on this pink. 5 perfect reparative rose stem cells, 4 nurturing rose extracts, helps reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, regenerates, hydrates, brightens, firms, and tones. That is a lot in one mask. So we're hoping they're true. Most Thomas Roth stuff is true. So directions: apply to a generous coat on a clean skin. It's clean. And rinse off after 10 minutes with cool water. I like that, because most masks say you need to use warm water, right? This one says cool. That's cool to me. You can use this up to 2 to 3 times a week or daily. And right here, what I have is a 0.47 fluid ounces. And this little guy looks like this. And still got the safety seal. So, I've never used it. So I'm curious. I'm not a rose person, so when it comes to things smelling like roses, it kind of turns my stomach a little bit. I know a lot of people love that smell. That's not me. Give me some honeysuckle, some smells of daisies, lilies. I can handle that. Sunflowers, ooh. But not rose. My nose must be off. I know, how's that possible with that long snoz? I think it smells like a light perfume. It looks like that. We're just going to stick it like this and rub, rub, rub. Now, since I'm in a different location, you won't have to worry about seeing me take it off. But I'll let you know if it was a pain in the butt or not. They said generous amount, so that's a little scary, but hey, that's fine. My hyperpigmentation's out to play today, guys. That's why I can't, if I can get a tan, I can't do it. Alright, there's enough on there. Kind of wet and jelly-like, which is supposed to be. I don't think I smell anything. I mean, there's something there, but it's very light and faint. So if you're not somebody that likes smells, this one might be alright for you. Alright, we're going to wipe that off. I will be back in, what was it, 10 minutes? Yep, 10 minutes. Well, probably 15 because I'll have to come back in the house, I have to wash my face, blah, blah, blah. I'll see you in a second. Okay. If you don't know by now, there was no way I was coming back in that matter of time. I think I left it on for probably about 25 minutes. It doesn't like really dry down. I mean, it dries down to where it's tacky on your skin, and it was easy to remove. Actually, I could take the wet washcloth around my face once and kind of pat my skin to see if it was still there. It was gone. So I'm like, yay, okay. I haven't put on any of my moisturizers or anything. The only thing I did was add chapstick because I did scrub my lips. I figured that was a good time to do it. Go ahead and get that taken care of. But my skin has a little bit more glow to it. It feels very soft and moisturized. This is an A+ to me. Like, if you've never tried this, you should try it. If I could find it listed below, if they still have the whole pack of them, I will go ahead and list that down below, depending on what site it's from. The only site I can't seem to actually get links off of using my phone is Sephora. I can't tap up there and get a link because it shows, you know, it goes to the whole screen and there's no toolbar up there, so I'm a little dumb about this stuff, so don't mind me. If you know a way of doing this, I know probably if I close out of the app and go the other direction through online, I could probably do it. But I will try to find that and link it down below. If it's not linked down below, I'll have the link of how much this cost. I'll try to have the link for how much this costs, depending on where it's at. But this is some pretty good stuff. It didn't have a real bad smell, and my skin, heck, I look like I'm wearing highlight. I like that natural glow. That works for me. This is an A+. If you've never tried it, you should try it. Find a sample or something, but you should try it. If you've got dry skin, finicky skin, like mine, this so far is working well. Now, if it turns to crap by the end of the night and I start noticing that my skin's acting a little bit different, I try to leave that stuff down in the comments. I'll pin it. This way you guys have a heads up. But, I mean, that kind of makes you guys have to go back and look. And I feel bad about that. But I'll tell you what, tomorrow on masking morning, if something happens with this by the end of today, I will tell you tomorrow in the masking morning video. But I like it. I like it a lot. That is all I have for you guys today. There are giveaways going on. Everything's linked down below. That first 400 subscriber giveaway link, I will check it multiple times because for some reason it works one day, the next day it doesn't. For one person it works, the next person it doesn't. I will check it several times because I know how aggravating that is, and I don't want to put you guys through it. And if you're new to my channel and you just subscribe because of this video, please leave that down below. Like, you could leave a blue heart, write the word blue, then I know this is what you came for. And I could do more videos for you along with all the other videos I'm doing for everybody else, including myself. Don't forget to like, comment, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.